Last video, we create a brush. In this video, we will add texture to make it unique. In the texture library, we will find some texture to choose from. Here we input the texture we downloaded. The black area shows what the texture actually looks like. Invert and light up the texture will change the look of the texture. Use tolerance to control the detail range of the texture. There we got the texture imported. We can flick, move, and zoom in and out to adjust the texture, making it fit the brush shape and direction. Increase the brightness to create a bold punchy stroke. With lower brightness gives us a softer, more fading look, making it feel lighter and more natural. Contrast changes how strong the light and dark area. With lower contrast, the texture is soft and gentle. High contrast makes the texture more sharper with more details. These control the visibility of the texture. At 0%, it's invisible. At 100%, it's fully shown, giving the brush max texture visibility. Try out different blend modes for creating results, like HiPaint for dynamic effect. Turn on texture to each tip to apply the texture to each brush tip instead of the whole stroke. Finally, inverting the texture sometimes gives us a surprising cool effect as well. This is how we add texture in HiPaint brush. See you next video.